In this video, we're going to learn how to make a drawing machine out of the Arduino Uno, which is controlled by potentiometers. What you will need is an Arduino motor, the Arduino motor black arm extension, 3 screws, 2 of which screw into the arm extension, and the third one is to screw the arm extension into the Arduino motor. A piece of cardboard, tape, a star-shaped screwdriver, the Arduino Uno, assorted wires, and a potentiometer, as well as a writing utensil of your choice. As you can see, I've already wired up the potentiometers and the Arduino motor to the Arduino itself. We'll go through this wiring after we actually build it. First, take the arm extension and the Arduino Uno and connect them. What you will need now is the shortest of the 3 screws to screw into the arm extension to secure it to the motor. Take the star-shaped screwdriver and complete this. Once you have screwed it in tight, like so, angle the motor and the arm extension to one of the 3 maxes. 2 maxes, I mean. Then, take the piece of cardboard and press the Arduino motor up against the cardboard to screw in the arm extension to secure it. Place the screw on top and then use your star-shaped screwdriver to finish. This might take several tries to get it in, but eventually you'll get it. Once you have done it about halfway, lift it up and press it against the piece of cardboard so you can screw it all the way through, like so. Once you have screwed it in all the way, do the same for the other screw and the other hole that you can see there. This again might take several tries, but it'll work in the end. As we're doing this, notice that we're using 2 screws for the benefit of stability, as if you use 1 screw and it loosens just a little bit, the problem with that is that as the motor turns, once you've inputted the code and connected it to the computer, it's going to be extremely difficult, and you'll have to keep on screwing it in for it to work. There we go. Once you have it in halfway through, hold it up so that it's easier to screw in. Make sure both of them are screwed in tight with one last check before you continue to the next step. Now make sure that the cardboard is easily turnable and that the Arduino motor moves without obstruction. Once you have done this, take a small piece of tape and your writing utensil and stick it the side you want to go, like so. Now, let's take a look at the wiring. As you can see, the motor's wires connect to a black, red, and yellow wire, not in that order. The yellow wire here is connecting to the ground as it connects to the brown wire up here. So put it into the ground Arduino hole, one of these two. The black wire is the next. It connects to the 5-volt battery power, connected to one of the 5-volt batteries. The last one, the red one, is the digital pin. This connects to pin 9. You want it to make sure that it goes into pin 9, this pin, because once we input the code later, it depends on which pin it is in to make sure that the motor actually moves. The potentiometer is connected similarly. The ground is the green wire, so put it into the other ground. The purple wire goes to the 5-volt. Again, put it into the 5 volts. The blue wire is where things get a bit different. The blue wire connects into the analog pin 1, as you can see there. The next wire, the orange wire, also connects to the analog pin 0. Last but not least, the gray wire connects to the digital pin 2. Again, make sure that the analog and digital pins are correct, because once we input the code later, which pins they are in will have a big difference. So, once we connect using the USB cable, the Arduino, to the computer and download the code, we can use the potentiometer as so. Make sure that the tape is stable. And we can use a writing tablet to show this. Make sure that your pen can actually write before you try to draw with it. This is very crude, but a beginner's approach to drawing things using the Arduino Uno. In another video on my channel, I will be making this brace for the motor. As you can see, it stands up like so, and once connected and screwed in properly, you can slip in the motor like so. Unfortunately, you'll have to adjust your code. As for this, the potentiometer works like this. So you have to change the degrees of the code to match your desires. Thank you for watching this video.